Yeah, Truth Telling Time, Brain at Work. Brain at Work. You are all welcome to this our educational program once again. And our topic is the priest and the anointing oil. The priest and the anointing oil. We all know how important anointing oil has become in nowadays or in the modern Christendom. And yenim say one of the easiest way of becoming rich, one of the easiest way of robbing and others without being arrested by the police is to call yourself a sophomore. So be from a sophomore na wakope Bible we no tobacco na wapre school dan bi wako kantamato no wakoto coat na washe na afi you are free to do whatever you want. Ti ene ebe hu say ye the Bible no be cheki na ye hu say ye ka say osofo according to the Bible kra na osofo na ehwana na juma ne sen oti asenti without wasting time no. Now also let me say thank you to all those who have been subscribing to our YouTube channel. Those who have been subscribing to our YouTube channel, a very thank to you all. Yeah, damunyina ase. Ye channel no Truth Telling Time TV. Truth Telling Time TV, our YouTube. Afi, ye ko yini. Leviticus chapter 21. Let's start it from there. You see? Say obi say oye software enye nanu keke. Because according to the Bible, there are some criteria and a say ampa way where you suffer now way on your suffer. What you say? Let's go. Leviticus chapter 21. Or said the Lord commanded Moses to say to the Aaronite, or to say to the Aaronite priest, no priest is to make himself ritually unclean by taking part in the funeral ceremonies. The Lord commanded Moses to say to the Aaronite priest, no priest is to make himself ritually unclean in the funeral ceremony. Into your osofwa. Oye sofwa, we person we call Eyasi the Ephraim. They say, do not make yourself ritually unclean by taking part in the funeral ceremony. Let's continue. Unless it is his mother, father, son, daughter, brother, or unmarried sister living in his house. So for no, the person who is called pastor, or sorry, the person who is called priest, they are your friend or so for no, ne hu asede ni. Ye say Yakopon ka kire Aaron and the man say they should not make themselves ritually unclean by taking part in any funeral ceremony. It is the funeral of his mother, unless it is his mother. Nti wo ye osofo, if you call yourself priest or sofo, wo mo obetimi aka wo mo yi no aje se wankasa wo mami, father aje se wankasa wo papa, son obaba obaben, daughter obaba, brother onua ben, or unmarried sister living in his house. Nti se we osofo na onua ba your sister died, and the sawo sister no onye virgin, sawo sister no wa warrior owu a wontimi kone yase. But question say, those we see in our community today who call themselves priests and I say asofo no omoko yase and omonko bi. Even we take the dead body to the church. The dead body no ye de call a solid danam say ye ko bompa ye edegu efunu so Me cry the Bible is also saying that so you are software. Men ko yase aje wankasa o papa, o mami, o nua ben, o nua ba on worry. And I say oba ba and oba ben. These are the funeral as a priest you can attend. They go to the nti asofo moko yinase and omo nko bi. Say they go. Yentoas way. He shall not make himself unclean at the death of those related to him by married. Omo be wompo obusuafo omo wale your relatives as a priest, your relatives who are married, you are not to attend their funeral ceremonies. You are not to attend their funeral ceremonies. Nti asofo mo semugu Ghana. So Abraham Moshe, the people you are debating, omo nya asofo, omo ya comedians. Omo ya comedians because the way check your one. Which said there's no priest and as asofo bi eni ha. Enya tale kuntu anobo kwa kwhye. In French we say l'habit ne fait pas la moine. Enya tare na e kire se we osofo na no. Di ahyede no so. Obi biara okọ flat house eno na yo man pay. Obi biara okọ flat house. Sa nipa no obi okọ flat house bia oyo man pay. So flat house flat at the flat house. Say police for a soldier for more your body gets more how more guardi place no and a vice president me ko your more special invitation obetimi akọ. So enye the art of being in the flat house and make you man pay. Have you passed through the process? Intimontie, the Lord commanded Moses to say to the Aaronite priest, no priest is to make himself ritually unclean by taking part in the funeral ceremony when a relative dies, unless it is his mother, father, son, daughter, brother, or unmarried sister living in his house, or unmarried sister living in his house. Until the verse we cheki Ghana, sofo bi eni Ghana. Ye the verse we cheki South Africa, sofo bi eni ho, because they attend funeral. Ye nyam from mpokra no mo je ye na boso. Eye no emfa enya soleba bi nti anka normally with the verse we ejuma so your osofo you cannot attend the funeral ceremony of your church members. The only people's funeral you can attend is your mother, father, son, brother, and unmarried sister living in your house. If your sister is also living outside your house, you can attend her funeral ceremony. But it didn't because a yena kasasa your business. So they will not let it go. The priest and the anointing oil. You remember anointing oil, no so see. I'm say the characteristic of a priest, they have failed it. You call another one so. Our Malachi. Malachi 1:7. I think it's 2:7, Huh? They have failed the characteristic. Have you here? I see. Okay, Malachi chapter 2, verse 7. I see. It is the duty of the priest to teach the true knowledge of God. People should go to them to learn my will, because of the Lord Almighty. Again, it is the duty of the priest to teach the true knowledge of God. People should go to them to learn the will of the Lord Almighty. It is the duty of the priest to teach the true knowledge of God. But today, the priests are teaching the true knowledge of NPP and the NDC. Instead of the priest to teach the knowledge of God, for the members to go to them and learn, Osu Bempa, Bedukobi, Nejegezi, and the today, they are rather teaching the true knowledge of political parties. They are not teaching the true knowledge of the God, according to the book Malachi chapter 2, the verse number 7. It is the duty of the priest. A higher duty. Also, you priest. The priest who is not ritually unclean by attending funeral ceremonies. This is another duty of the priest. Or say, it is the duty of the priest to teach the true knowledge of God. But today, the priests we have in our communities, are they teaching the true knowledge of God, or they are teaching the true knowledge of President Mahama and President Akufo-Addo? They are rather teaching the true knowledge of NDC and NPP. People should go to them to learn my way. Today, members go to the pastor to know which political party is going to win the 7th December election. So instead of the members to go to the priest and learn the knowledge of God, we go to them to learn the one who is going to win election. This is what we are now learning from the priest. The one who will win the election, not the true knowledge of God. I say, because they are the messengers of the Lord Almighty. Tell me if Owusu Bempah, Bedu Kobi, Nejagazi and co. They are rather the messengers of NDC and NPP. No, they are making a boy catch them here. What I'm saying, they are not messengers of God. They are messengers of NPP and they are messengers of NDC. Now they have become the national communication directors of the political parties. Because of the Land Cruiser you will get. Because after all, if that party comes to power, you can do whatever you like. They will not talk. And yes, sir. And yes, sir. Ebusuyan. Ye call anointing oil no so. Oho. Let's go to the anointing oil. Ezra chapter 30. The verse number 22. Exodus 30:22. Yintie. The anointing oil. The Lord said to Moses, take the finest spices, 6 kilograms of liquid myrrh, 3 kilograms of sweet smelling cane, and 6 kilograms of cassia, all weighed according to the official standard, and 4 liters of olive oil, and make a sacred anointing oil mixed like perfume. Verse 26. Use it to anoint the tent of my presence. So the thing we use the anointing oil for, even according to the Bible, number 1, use it. Verse 26. Use it to anoint the tent of my presence, the covenant boss, the tables, and all the altar for burning incense, the altar for burning offerings, together with all its equipment, and the worship basin with its base. Dedicate these things in this way, and they will be completely holy. And anyone or anything that touches them will be harmed by the powers of their holiness. Then, Ezra chapter 30, the verse number 30. Then anoint Aaron and his sons and ordain them as priests. Anoint Aaron and his sons and ordain them as priests. Nti asofo pain ye the anointing or the anointing no na ya ordaining no as a priest. Nti asofo die no enye calling say that mo say calling. Even if you were called, you had to be ordained by pouring anointing oil on you. And the person to do that is Moses. You will tell me that today there's no Moses, but the Aaronites are already there. So no need for you to integrate yourself. It's simple. So then anoint Aaron and his sons and ordain them as priests in my presence. Say to the peoples of Israel, Ghana for Monty, say to the peoples of Israel, this holy anointing oil is to be used in my service for all time to come. Verse 32. It must not be poured on ordinary men. The anointing oil is not to be poured on ordinary men. Member of the church, muamuko asole no ayem koje anointing oil mapacho. Oye ordinary person and onye ordinary person. Oye suffer. Me say asore woko the church into which you fellowship. That church, apart from the priest, all the rest are ordinary people. Even here, the commandment is for Aaron and his son, not even the entire families of Levi, not the entire children of Jacob. So all other children of Jacob are now considered here ordinary. They are now considered ordinary. Nti the American say, if you are not a priest, and no could be solid them, and a sophobic or tree and webi, so we anointing oil. Jennifer could fekugu fagu edrianemu, nedi fasra fire we are. A sopho we proud. But you are lucky that it's not anointing oil. The amumo use no way and anointing oil because they are anointing oil no ebini. A liquid meth, sweet smelling cinnamon, sweet smelling cane, acacia, olive oil. These are the things we used to do anointing oil. And according to the Bible, the anointing oil is used to dedicate the temple and its equipment together with Aaron and his sons. Apart from that, we don't pour anointing oil on any other person. Ahanati 31. Ezra chapter 30 verse 32. It must not be poured on ordinary men, and you must not use the same formula to make any mixture like it. It is holy, and you must treat it as holy. Ahana medupene me imasheme. Whosoever makes any like it or uses any of it on anyone who is not a priest will no longer be considered one of my people. Anyone, whosoever makes any like it or use any of it, anointing oil, no. So anybody who make something like anointing oil and pour it on an ordinary person who is not a priest. Mamika, let me read it. Say that the book natural no. Whosoever makes any like it or uses any of it on anyone who is not a priest will no longer be considered one of my people. Nti anointing oil. Say the Mose yuzuno our solid dynamo. Say ye no krempo say anointing oil. Your God will reject you all. Because none of you in the church there is an Aaronite. Mumu bieni wa mofri Aaron ase. Mumubia, none of you in the church is a descendant of Aaron. And Exodus chapter 30, the verse number 33 is saying, whosoever makes any like it or uses any of it on anyone who is not a priest will no longer be considered like one of my people. Na yede na moye wa solid them no. Na modi amoko do solid them wa de na moye. And as I saw them, Aaron asefo. From the pastor down to the choir master, to the usher, and the last member of the church. Aaron asefo. You are all descendant from Aaron. Is that what you are telling me? Nti mo who say a concert and mo you as all them. Kingdom TV, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Say, who could do a solid them one. So the pastor, any pastor who knows this verse, will not, in truth, give you anointing oil. He will give you a counterfeit. Because if he give you a true anointing oil, he will have problem. And you too will have problem. Nti mo kodo ho a e fright ho na mo nyina madani sardine e wa a solid dem. Mo nyina madani sardine. that the day I will teach anointing oil in full. Sadano and obeti adena say. Until Leviticus chapter 21, a priest should not make himself ritually unclean by attending any funeral unless it is the funeral ceremony of his father, his mother, his son, his daughter, his brother, or his unmarried sister. The priests we have here in Ghana, they are teaching the true knowledge of politics. You are teaching the true knowledge of politics. You are not teaching the true knowledge of God. It is the one who will win 7 December 2020 election is what the priests are talking about. So you are not teaching any true knowledge of God. What you say? You are not teaching anything. And Exodus chapter 30, the verse number 30. Echo, say, anointing oil. Eye Aaron asifo kwa en asole damu nyama enu kwa na de anointing we de the anointing omo. Apart from that enu anu no yemfa nka obi bia. And verse 33 say, se onye sofo en the anointing oil e de ka ohunam a, your God say he will no longer consider you one of his people. Na mo say eye two parties, your God and Satan. It is onye Yakopon ba biwa. So after obey them, obey brosamba. Through Telling Time, brain at work. Your YouTube, Through Telling Time TV. You be saying komo. Damu say for following this lesson from the very beginning.